What are the best strategies during such bear market as now?
So in bear market, I think there are two types of bear markets. For one, bear market with no liquidity, and bear market with liquidity. So for future, if you're futures traders, this is not a time, I guess, because liquidity is very low, and price movement itself is like not it's like unpredictable a lot. So a lot of technical analysts, they're like losing their money in this low liquidity bear markets. And I think it's time to accumulate with DCA approach, I guess, because it's pretty obvious that for the next few years, some of the big institutions like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Fidelity, they're joining, this industry. Like a month ago, BlackRock, a few months ago, BlackRock, they invested in USDC reserve, like it was $400 million for the entire round. What it means that they're investing in stablecoins, and then they're gonna do something with their stablecoin reserve, USDC, maybe highly likely investing in DeFi and all the other coins, or just buy Bitcoin. So I think it's a bullish thing in the long term. And Fed chairman, he said stablecoins and CBDC can coexist, which means the U.S. government is kind of allows financial institutions to invest in stablecoins, and in order to make stablecoins markets bigger, they have to invest in at least Bitcoin or DeFi, right? So it helps to improve. I mean, like helps to make digital dollars. I mean, the stablecoins dollar supremacy bigger around the world. So I think it's pretty obvious the market is gonna bullish for the next few years, but it's not gonna be in a short term. So I think till at the end of this year, the market is going sideways or bearish, and once institutional adoptions, like they start to buy something with their stable coins, I guess that's the starting points for the next bull market.
So in your opinion, the catalyst for the next bull market will be big institutional adoption?
Yes. Last year it was just companies, like MicroStrategy, Tesla, but this time it's like financial institutions, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs. It's like another level, I guess.
What are the best indicators to determine whether it's bottom and whether it's right time to buy or not?
You mean on-chain indicators that helps to see the markets?
Yeah.
So I think in this bearish market, and sideways markets, it's important to see selling activities and buying activities. So I think spent output H bands could be helpful to see selling activities on Bitcoin. So it's like if over 7 years old Bitcoin moves, it's highly likely from criminals, and who was like gambling website admin or like drug dealers, and all kinds of criminals, because back then there wasn't any custodian solutions, so they they didn't move these coins to custodian solutions for 7 years. And custodian solutions, they require KYC, right? So I think they cannot KYC for 7 years. And in a lot of cases, these Bitcoins moved into multiple wallets, scattered into fractionally, like very small amount of Bitcoins, like $4,000 to centralized exchanges, even in like Binance. And for some exchanges, they don't require KYC for a little amount of deposits, so they can easily launder their money through centralized exchanges. This happens. This happened like some of the did this year. So I think, including Mt. Gox, we should look at these selling activities through spend out age bands as well as granular level, like transaction level data, and get some indications from that. Yeah.
So on what have you been focusing lately, and what on-chain data movements of the crypto do you see?
So the problem with on-chain data is noise. If you're aggregating all the exchange inflows, you can get aggregated exchange inflows for all exchanges, but like you might wonder, who sent those money and why they are sending Bitcoins to exchanges, right? Who, like, it could be market makers, Bitcoin old whales, or just sending Bitcoins for custody solutions, or like sending Bitcoins to derivative exchanges to punt long positions. There are a lot of use cases. So it's important to see these data more granular level. In this case, granular means transaction and wallet level. So we're building a platform, analytics tools, which enables our users to see granular level on-chain data, build their own custom aggregated time series on-chain data in granular level. For example, if you can filter out like Ethereum 2.0 deposit contracts data, for example, like filter out, let me give you another example. Like for for centralized exchange flows, you can filter out some money laundering mixer wallets. Like I said, there are fractional small amount of wallets that involved in illicit activities. You can filter out those wallets, and if there's any inflows from these illicit type of wallets, just aggregate those flows data, and you will get like exchange flows from illicit wallets. And or I can give you another example, like that DEX traders to centralized exchanges flows, or like Uniswap DEX trader DEX traders like profiles. For example, 80% DEX traders who trades Ethereum on Uniswap, you can get their wallets or set of wallets, top traders on Uniswap set of wallets, and then get their entry price through the realized price. Realized price is, like I said, like you can take account on just the price when the coins moved. So this could indicate their entry price. So they're trade on DEX, right? So that this is entry price, obviously, right? So top DEX traders entry price could help, to see their positions, or like you can just manually type the some of the crypto fund wallets, 3AC or others, or you can filter out some of the conditions through our platform and then get hedge fund, crypto funds data, you know, um, filter out this much balances, who joined, who bought that altcoins in back in 2018 or something, and then you get a set of addresses, and then you can get like their enterprise as well as how much altcoins sent to centralized exchanges or how much coins are traded on DEX. This type of like flexible data, granular level data, could help to see blockchain, remove on-chain noises. Yeah.
And do you provide on-chain data only for major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or do you provide as well support for the data analytics for other altcoins too?
Sure. We're gonna support some of the other L1 chains, including Avax, Polygon, and Aptos, even like emerging chains like Aptos Suite, and then we're gonna support other small protocols as well on their chains. For now, we already support DeFi protocols, SushiSwap, Uniswap, and some of the other big protocols. So I think at the end of this year, you'll get various data from our side. Yeah.
Can add something, and like we make
Yeah.
like the last question with like your last comments.
So we are, like I said, we are building new investment frameworks for digital assets. Analytics tools and data are just like a step for us to achieve that goal. So if you agree on our goal deeply, please join us. We're hiring in all positions. So let me know. My email is ki@cryptoquant.com.
Okay, great. As well, actually, I remembered you had once very interesting tweets about that trading using on-chain analytics data is 142 times more profitable than just holding Bitcoin. So can you tell more about this? Because many people say like the best performing accounts are accounts of dead people or of people who just forgot that they have some funds invested.
Yeah. What I was saying was just like you can find some alpha from our data. That's it. It's like I was trying to convince my audiences that blockchain data is meaningful for trading. But like I've seen a lot of harsh comments, so I was like, okay, I should post something like that, and then people still not believe on-chain data, and like on-chain data is meaningless, whatever, and then I post like PNL, whatever, and then they start believe. Yeah.
And
So
do you still actively trade like with your own portfolio?
not for derivative trading. I stopped like a few months ago because of low liquidity. But like I'm accumulating some of the promising coins in each sector, like tags, you know, lending, and all this stuff sectors, as well as.
Can you share some names?
No.
You can just tell the
Okay.
names and tell that it's not a financial advice.
It's not financial advice. I can breach the rules. So yeah, I think it's important to accumulate altcoins in spot markets, not like doing futures trading. Futures trading, I will start maybe next year when the volatility start to increase.
Okay, hopefully at least by the end of this year or next year we'll see the bull market again.
Yeah.
Thank you for your insights.
Thank you.